Welcome. If you're an admin of a Telegram group and want to allow your members to send stickers and GIFs using Telegram web on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, managing these permissions is faster and easier than ever. Let's walk through the steps so your group can start sharing those fun stickers and animated GIFs right away. First, open Telegram web on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the group where you're an admin. You'll see your list of chats on the left. Just click on your group to open it. Now, look at the top of the chat window. Click on the name of your group. This will open the group's profile page, where you can see details about the group and its members. Next, find and click on the edit icon. It usually looks like a little pencil or gear. This will take you to the group settings. From here, look for the permissions section. Click on Permissions, and you'll see a list of what members are allowed to do in your group. Find the option called Send Media. Click on this to expand the available media permissions. Within the Send Media options, you'll see a setting labeled Send Stickers and GIFs. If this option is turned off, your group members won't be able to send stickers or GIFs. To enable it, simply click the toggle or checkbox next to Send Stickers and GIFs so that it's turned on. Once you've enabled this permission, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This will apply your changes and allow everyone in the group to start sending stickers and GIFs immediately. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've made your Telegram group more fun and expressive. If your members still have trouble sending stickers or GIFs, try toggling the permission off and on again, then saving the changes. Sometimes this helps refresh the settings. Thanks for tuning in. Now your group is ready to share all the stickers and GIFs they want. Enjoy chatting.